Well, our theme this Women's Day is Choose to Challenge, where we're speaking to women across different fields as to how they've challenged the status quo. And one such woman who aptly fits this description is Manya Singh, the Miss India 2020 runner-up who ran away from her home in Uttar Pradesh. She came from very humble beginnings with her father as an auto rickshaw driver, finally has put one step ahead of the other and emerged triumphant. Manya, thank you so much for joining us. Congratulations on this win, and I understand that it's been a very tough journey for you. Tell us what that journey has been like.
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. And my journey has been really hard, but I was harder on my life. I worked really hard and I learned so many things from my experience. And I always thank to God because whatever I have seen in my life, that was some point of time it was learning for me. And I use that lessons in my life then, and because of that, that's why I'm here. So I've been grateful that I've got those hurdles in my life. It is most precious thing in your whole journey.
And tell us, Manya, about some of the hurdles. I understand that you took up a job in Mumbai. You came alone into the city, not knowing anything or anybody. What were some of the hurdles that you went through?
When I came to Mumbai, I didn't know anything. I didn't know the dream which I am here. I was completely blank, and I just had one thing in my mind that I want to do something different and something which I can inspire people. At 16 age, I realized that there is something called Miss India and I can use that platform to use my voice. Then I started working towards it. I had something in my mind and in my heart that I'm not going to give up. I'm going to go ahead and achieve my dream because it's in my hand and I have to work hard.
How did you learn about the nitty-gritties of taking part in a contest like Miss India? Is there anyone that you look up to or any role model?
I think beauty pageant is always something they want you, the real you. They want something confident women. If we will see Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai, Sushmita Sen, Lara Datta, they are epitome of confidence. They are that much confident. They have their own opinion, and I think beauty pageant is the same thing. And I work towards it. From the start, I know that what they want and what I want. I worked on my confidence. I worked on my language skills. I worked that on my thoughts because I knew that whatever experience I'm having in my journey, it will gonna help me towards on Miss India stage.
Any message that you have? I'm sure there are millions of young women out there with stars in their eyes who aspire to even come close to what you have achieved. What's your message to women on this Women's Day?
Be yourself. Don't loosen up. If you are going to believe, you will have that positive thought in your mind that yes, I can do it. And if you can do it, I don't think so no one will gonna stop you. So just hold yourself and pull up your socks because if your dream is beyond your imagination, you have to work harder for it.